Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little bit of makeup and so forth. So yeah, we're just gonna talk while I do my makeup. Yeah, haven't done my makeup in a while in terms of like eyeshadow. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do the face. Let me spray a little bit of the setting spray. Just to, set everything nice. Alright, so here what I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just cause yeah. So I went ahead and I did my I didn't do my brows. I'm gonna do my brows right now. So I want to do a neat brows. My brows is really neat, so let's see if we can do that. So nice. Okay, so we're finished with the brows. Well, the bottom of the brows for now. Oh, I'm just gonna blend everything onto my eyes, and I'm gonna do the top later on. So oh shucks, what should I do? I like this color, I like this one. I want to do like a neutral cut crease. I've done that before. So hard. What should I do? Alright, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this color. This from the Jwillscool palette, Saharan 2. I'm gonna go in with the Saharan 2 palette. I'm gonna go in with this color. Okay, so I'm just gonna pat this on the lid. Right here. Okay. Gonna get a clean brush now to just blend out the edges right here, so it doesn't look so harsh. I have learned to just blend, use the brushes and just blend, spend time to just blend, because if you don't blend, then your makeup is not going to be nice and seasoned. It's not going to look nice, and okay, so now we're gonna deepen the crease. I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm gonna find a smaller brush. Where is it? Smaller brush. No. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna use this one because I can't really. Let's see. Yeah, gonna use this one. This is a fluffy flat top blending brush. I am going to go in with a deep color. I want to go into like black, but not black. Something deeper than black. Or should I? I want to go in with black, but not black. Okay, let's try black to see how it's going to look. Oh, black is fine. So we're just taking the black into the crease. Yeah, right here. We're keeping it in the crease, the eye socket portion. Yeah. And then we're just going to blend. Alright, so I'm gonna use this concealer blending brush to just get it a little bit, take off the wetness off it, and this is very important. Oh no. I'm gonna go into the Jwillscool Magic Palette. This one, the Magic Palette. Yeah. And I'm gonna take Osun. What's the name? Osun. And I'm going to add Osun now. Osun is a nice pinky color. I'm gonna add Osun right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this angled brush and I'm gonna take Yemoja. Yemoja is this nice silvery shade. It's from also from the Magic Palette. This is a nice silvery shade and I'm gonna take it right here, just so it can make the eyeshadow have a little more dimension. I'm gonna take it right here, and I'm using an angled brush. I'm just going to shade it in. I'm gonna use the same brush that we used to add the transition shade, and I'm going to go in with, from the Saharan 2 palette, I'm gonna go in with Zakia again at the outer corners right here. Yeah. Just adding that. And then when I get closer towards where the wow, and my foundation is pretty dry. Nice. The next thing is our concealer, and this is LA Girl in Fawn. I'm just going to let this sit a bit, and I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to use Makeup Revolution in C. And I'm going to blend this out now with, just going to blend that out and blend this out. Nice. We're going to go over here now. Oh, and we're going to blend down here. Alright. Now we're going to blend out the concealer under the eyes. Blend this one. And here, under the chin, down the nose. Okay, I'm gonna use this sponge now to kind of blend it further. And with this pressed powder, this is Coty Airspun mixed with ColourPop. I'm gonna use this brush to just add the powder. Okay, so the next thing now is to add some contour color to the face, and I'm going to add this color. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be applying this same this same berry looking color, and I'm gonna use this brush. Is it this one? What is it? I'm gonna use this brush to apply it here. Alright, good. Just gonna use this sponge now to get rid of any little, what do you call them now, flyaways or whatever, I don't know. And then we'll just blend that like so. Oh, nice and highlighted. Nice. And then gonna pull half, as I said before, and I'm going to curl it like this. We're gonna count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Yes, I'm sorry, the wind is just blowing, the fan is blowing away my hair. Yeah, but this is the finished look.